garlic, so use less than you normally would.
What kinds? Farmer's market. Oh, there's a market centre thing up there.
Pardon?
A sign.
Some of
Yeah,
it
we'll get
doesn't
it.
clove like normal garlic.
Ooh.
Brócoli, chile, mira, hay chile también.
It's nice to see the onions with its tops.
Hi. You ever seen these before? Kohlrabi? Kohlrabi?
I don't use them. But
You don't?
No. I use these things. And these. And those.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. How are you?
We're doing fabulous. Look, she's
We
got
have homemade baked goods.
all right. Ooh, look, honey.
I have pies. I got a strawberry rhubarb, 1 apple pie, a 3-berry pie, and then the cinnamon rolls are all homemade.
Wow.
If you want to try some, I have
Oh, nice.
You want to try one?
Well, I'm not too sure.